morning. Today we'll make a snowman.
Yes, we got some snow
Yeah.
in Vancouver.
Yeah,
That's
see?
interesting and nice.
See snow.
Yes.
Every year we make snowman.
That's right. Every year we make snowman.
So
And
also
it was
this
in
year we'll
Montreal.
make also
Yes,
snowman.
this year
I
got some
hope you
snow
saw
in
my
Vancouver.
previous video of making the snowman. The other
Yeah.
snowman.
That's right. So we'll get some snow and collect it and dump it here and try to make one. Yeah.
Yay!
Yay.
Snow! It's so fun! Yay!
Awesome.
Yay, let's start. I'm
Yay.
getting so many ice cream and snow
Hey.
scoops.
Right.
Yay!
Yes.
There's so many.
That's right. Yeah. So get some more. Get some more. Yes. Yeah. So you can dump it. We can make it here. Okay? I think that's a nice, safe place to make one.
Yes!
Yeah, that's okay. Get some more. Get some more.
Oh, snow.
Yeah.
So we're halfway done. Just last scoop.
This is body we are making.
Yeah. Yay!
Yeah. So you are making bodies now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. So once that thing is done, then we can make a head.
Yay!
Yeah. Awesome. Yes. So body is pretty much done actually.
Yeah.
So we put a hand. We
Yay.
got some hand.
Yay!
Put it in.
Second hand. Yay! Second hand now.
Yes. Take this bucket and make a head out of it.
Yeah.
Okay. It's
A
like
cylinder kind of bed. It looks like a cylinder.
then we'll add little more body.
Yeah.
Otherwise, a snowman can't be weak, right?
Yeah. Just touch him, he'll fall like ah!
Yeah.
Every year we make snowman. There's see in Vancouver we thought it will rain and that in future, but it snowed today. Yay! I have a flathead.
And the nose will come in
Here
here.
in the middle.
And for the mouth, you can place it something there.
That Halloween chocolate.
So,
Dates.
dates.
Yay! The Lego snowman is done.
It's looking nice actually.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. You can make some. So what you got?
And some candy bangle.
Candy bangle.
Yeah.
Okay, you can give it to our snowman.
Here.
Yeah, whatever you like.
Wait, how many have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Need 5 fingers, but
Yeah.
it's 8 fingers.
Okay, you can keep it in here.
5. Here. Done.
Yeah. Yay!
It's too big.
That's okay. Good. The head will be like this, or you make it a little rounder. I think that's okay.
It doesn't look like it. I don't want it into a Lego.
Okay. I think it's looking nice actually.
No, actually his head looks like a pop.
Okay. Yeah, if you can keep your hat or something, then it will come back. Okay, and make it rounder a little. Awesome. Yes, collect some more snow. Yeah.
Yay.
Thanks, man. Awesome. So what are you doing? You're making penguin?
Yeah.
No, snowman have a friend. Penguin friend, huh? Okay. Let's see. Turn. Open it.
Yay.
Ouch. That's okay. This looks beautiful.
Yeah. And the beautiful penguin.
Yeah,
Which one in the stage?
that's right. Awesome.
Bye friends, see you if you like my snowman and the penguin. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Bye, your big thumbs up.
Yay. Yeah, so it's a fun making snowman. So everyone should try one if you have snow nearby, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So,
Bye.
bye. See you.